So in this video, I'm going to go over one of the best snorkeling masks I've ever tried here, everybody. So if you're like me and you like to do a little snorkeling from time to time, this is what I recommend for you, because I've been using this off and on for maybe about 6 months. I've used it maybe 6 or 7 times over the 6-month period. And let me show you how this thing works. So you get it, and you can get it in 2 different sizes. I got mine in like a large, extra large. I think it's a large, extra large. You can see large, extra large, small, medium, and extra small. And here's the overall dimensions of it. So the way this works is you pull air in through both of these tubes right here, and it fills up this chamber, and you just breathe out of this chamber, and then the bubbles just come out right here. It's got a GoPro mount on the front. It's got a wide angle, kind of like a 180-degree viewing window right there that makes it very easy to see. These right here are adjustable, so you can turn them any direction. If you want to swim on your back, you can go that way. If you want to swim straight down, you do them just like that, and it goes up. But I ran mine kind of like at that angle about right there, probably about a 45-degree angle. Seems to be the best way to run these things here. These have these little balls, so if you dive, it locks them up. No water will come on there, but check this out. You can remove these. So for travel, you remove them all down, and now you've got a clean little mask like that. And then to put them back on, they do offer an adapter where you could put a tank on this thing. I will do a follow-up video with that tank and show you with that working, because I'm interested. I just ordered one of those, so we'll see how that comes in. And then to put them back on, they just lock on there, and it's pretty simple, everybody. Very simple to work this thing. Then to rotate it, you can rotate it around. You do need to get you a little, it didn't have a nut in there, so I'm gonna have to use something to get my GoPro to mount on there, which will be interesting. It'll be fun to show that feature right there. This was very comfortable, easy to adjust. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. This is something I'm gonna be using more, definitely my trips down to Florida, swimming with the manatees, and just kind of all around, kind of diving and snorkeling. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the closed face snorkeling mask. See you on the next video.